In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Zoom meeting link in under 90 seconds. We'll keep this quick and simple, but I'll also add helpful context so you know exactly what each click does and why it matters. Start by launching the Zoom desktop application and make sure you're signed in. If you're not logged in, you won't see your personal settings, and the link we're about to create relies on those. Once you're in, stay on the Home tab, look for the New Meeting button, the one with the orange camera icon. Instead of clicking the button itself, click the small down arrow right next to it. This opens a tiny menu with options specific to starting meetings instantly. In that menu, ensure the box labeled Use My Personal Meeting ID or PMI is checked. Your PMI is a consistent meeting ID tied to your account, which makes it perfect for creating a reusable link you can send again and again. With this box checked, the link you copy will always point people to your personal room, which is ideal for quick calls or recurring catch ups. Just remember, since it's reusable, only share it with people you trust and avoid posting it publicly. Now, look at the numbers shown just below where your PMI appears. Hover your mouse over that area and click Copy Invitation. This instantly copies the full invitation text to your clipboard, including the joining link and passcode. The passcode is there for security, so it's important to include it when you share the invite. Zoom's default invitation bundles it all together for you. Next, open your preferred email or messaging app. Click on Compose to start a new message. In the To field, type in the email address of the person or people you want to invite. If you're using a messaging app instead, select the chat where you want to send the invite. Now, paste the invitation text with Ctrl+V on Windows or CMD+V on a Mac. You'll see it includes the meeting link, the meeting ID, and the passcode, so your participants have everything they need to join. You might add a short note or subject line for clarity, like the purpose or time of the meeting, but keep the original invitation text intact. Finally, click send. That's all it takes. You've created and shared a Zoom meeting link using your personal meeting ID, complete with a passcode in under a minute and a half. Keep this workflow handy for quick check ins, interviews, or recurring meetings.